Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening your project and positioning the playhead exactly where narration should begin. Once done, add or confirm the media on the timeline so you can hear context while recording. Click the VoiceOver button or choose track Add VoiceOver to open the recorder panel. Make sure to set input source and volume levels before recording, otherwise you'll need retakes. This step begins the actual capture. You're not editing yet, you're just preparing for a clean first take. You'll select your microphone and tweak gain so peaks are below clipping. Use headphones to prevent speaker bleed into the mic. Do a brief test recording and listen back to confirm tone and volume. Once comfortable, hit record and follow the countdown. Speak clearly and at a steady distance. If you need fixes, use punch-in to re-record short sections or overwrite for longer retakes. Make sure to mute other tracks if you want isolated voice files for easier editing later. Once recorded, trim unwanted silence, add fades to remove clicks, and apply noise reduction or EQ to improve clarity. You can also split lines into separate clips for timing adjustments. When satisfied, export either audio only or render the full video with the voiceover baked in. If something goes wrong, like low volume or hiss, check mic input gain, enable noise reduction, or re-record in a quieter room. Make sure drivers and permissions are set correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.